me. I killed you 3 times. What are you saying? He said,
It's a tie.
no, it's not a tie. Why am I 3? And you are Brana. Nice, bro, this peeping, bro. Good.
Oh ma.
I win the Wait, no.
No.
My favorite. Oh, nah. Okay,
No. No.
Make a phone down, bro. Broke and ass, bro. Nigga, oh shit, bro. Fucking bitch. Sabi ko. Pagkatapos natin yan, ito na lang mag-laro tayo natin ng beach pa. Drain mo ako. Alam mo anong level pa lang ako? 13. Ikaw nga, 30 ka na eh. Ngayon na. Tapos pagkatapos laro na talaga tayong ganyan. Hanggang malubat cellphone ka na, laro tayong ganyan. Dali, tara. Ito lang. Sandali lang. Hintayin kita. No, hindi. Promise. Sandali lang. Tatapusin lang natin. Hanggang mga 50 lang tayo yata. Mamulis. You cannot leave. Naalala mo yan. Sinasabi mo. Video ka. Di ba may wala naman guys. Nakakabit ko lang ako. Wala lang guys.
I need to expose any. Expose.
But let's start the party!
Where are you?
Ito.
Uy, meron nagjo-join. Yun.
Ilalim ka. Gumulong ka. Yung ulo ko na muna.
It's time to expose Ellie now and all his plans.
Pag pinalo ko ito ng baril, di masisira. Pag binaril ko ng pana, masisira. Ano mas malakas? Baril o pana? Ano ba?
Right.
Alam mo bakit?
I hate this game now. No. I hate this game. You are dead to me, bro. Somebody.
Get us food, bro.
I'm getting us food. The only thing I want is just chicken nuggets. Wow! First day, I found coal. I want to pet some pa.
How to pay someone? We don't have some food or something. I don't know.
Oh my god, I got this.
Look. Over here.
Take.
See how
I got this. Wait. Yeah, it's here. aso. Nagtatame akong aso. Kailangan
Dapat ano level 3?
muscle steak. Muscle at steak.
Alam
Kailangan
mo
natin.
nakahanap.
Ha?
Ano?
Yung rabbit. Pwede. Meron. Papatayon ko.
Nakahanap ka.
Ayan. Grab.
Saan ka nakahanap ng mga fruits?
Ha?
Saan ka nakahanap ng fruit?
Doon. Dito sa loob na yan. Steak. Kailangan daw natin steak.
Matay ka ng isang kind niya. Ka-uri niya. Lalabas sila ng snake.
Steak. Patay ko.
Kapatay! Mamatay ka!
Yun eh. Yun, steak.
Saan ka nakahanap?
Yun.
Saan ka nakahanap?
Sorry. Kailangan ko ulitin yan 3 times.
Wait, meron ka na. Ayun! Tubuin mo naman.
Pingin mo akong steak. Hiyaan mo na.
Wala na mga atas.
Oo. Banis food, kunin mo.
Don't worry.
Ikong wolf. Fairy. I will give them flowers tonight. Hey! I don't wanna die.
Dito na. Tumatay ka.
Ha?
Tumatay ka. Okay, re-revive naman ka to. Dalawang L sa'yo eh. Huwag ka na pumatay. Mamamatay ka pa. Mamatay ka. Hintayin mo nga mag-serve, mag-morning. Isasak muna kita. Bye-bye.
Papatayin mo daw para ka lang kung steak.
Mamatay. Kailangan natin yung scrap para nung makapasok ng mga tao din.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hintayin mo. Ano ako. Saan ka muna? Maupo ka. Taas mo pa, taas mo. Nandun sila. Ay, tingnan mo. Bye-bye. Hanap ako ng bandage. Bye-bye.
Hoy, bakit ako natutulog? Nakaganto. Tulog ka, lasing kayo. Hoy, pwede mo, lagyan mo ako sa fairy's house. Or sunugin mo na lang ako. Ifo.
Ano lang yan yung lalaki. So, may bandage. Oh, first. Ang laki ko. What the frick?
Can I add more friends?
No.
Okay.
No, please, no. We just can't play on my son. Oh, teka man. Sarili ko na, heal ko. Okay lang. Madami pang mga chest doon. Mga tatlo pa. Okay lang. Ay, baka maging laki ako. Patay ako. Ito yan. Hindi ka na mapapatay longer.
Who do you care about?
Of course you.
Why are you so excited with that guy? He's just a fuel. He can only
Hello,
bring...
bandage.
He's so lucky.
I'm so lucky. Kanina nagka-bandage ako. Nahit ko sarili ko. Tapos ngayon, naka-bandage na naman. Oo, napakalaki. I'm the luckiest person in the ever seen.
Bakit hindi mo kinuha? Banipot ko.
Bakit?
Tumatay ako.
Scrap, do you even care about me? Later, bro. I'll help you, bro. Of course.
My leg is broken.
So, I need you. I need you to be surviving. Because I don't have anything to have. Yeah, you see myself. Hello. Hello, Ram. You
Hi.
naked. I think you're naked.
Where is my dog?
Who's that?
You died?
I don't know. Wow.
Bro, I have to do that again?
I don't know. Why you feed them? You don't feed me.
I will feed
That
you.
makes sense.
Do you want a pet bunny?
Carrot?
Here. I got a carrot for you. He's not our friend. Let's go.
Deer is gonna come. Kill him. Find some food here.
Oh,
And go kill these bunnies.
done. Look at my pet. Oh no, my pet. It's dirt time. Let's go, Ellie. Let's go. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking about my pet. Its name is Lucky. Wait, I mean his name is Ellie. Say hi to Ellie, okay? Say name to Ellie and Ellie. Here, here, here. So I think Ellie is dumb here. Oh, no, no, no. Look at my pet. Look at the name. Hey, Junior. Do you want some? Sit. You sit, little boy. I'm just gonna get you a friend. His name gonna be Julian. I'm hungry. What's for dinner?
Yes. And give more. Oh no.
Wait,
Yeah. Okay, I cannot kill him.
I can only kill him.
Wow, further.
You.
So, pagkain na to. Bumalik ka na sa Ram. Kaya naman na yan. Wala pa ako. Nagulo ko ng beer. Nagulo ko. Nagulo niya. Unggoy, may unggoy. Tara, hanap tayo, Chess. Tara.
Ay, bala. Kailangan ko dog. Binalik ng owl?
Bakit wala ka?
Wala.
Dilo, penicillin. Kaya, I can buy this map.
Do you want me? Do you want me?
Oh, fine, Chess.
Hey, here's. Do you want some?
What's the...
Do you want the pet? I can drop this.
Nah, I'm just gonna find something.
Me too. Oh. Oh. I think I just broke the bed.
Here.
This one, look. I'm holding one of his pieces. Oh my god, there's a chest. Wait. I have an idea. I already have a good sack. Stuck. Drag. Stuck.
Later, 5 days. We can...
Do you have a good axe? I have a good sack. Do you want a good sack?
No. Oh, okay. I need it. I need the food sack. I was just gonna find the wood. And just upgrade our base.
food.
Just eat something. Carrot. Pilihan mo. Carrot. Eat. Di mo alam? Ang tagal mo na nagmamahal. Ang tagal mo yun. Sabay bro. Let's support you guys. No, don't run.
Let's see for a map. Do you want a good axe? A good axe? Sack? What?
I have it.
Let's find a good... Oh no, I'm hungry. Let's get some bushes.
Until this one.
Don't...
This one. You want this?
Yes. Cook it.
Okay. First, this one.
Let's kill Ellie.
This. Don't eat the food. I'll kill all the bunnies.
Don't kill my bunny. He is my best.
Until I'm hungry, I'll take food. I see a red bunny. Red bunny. This one.
I have a bunny foot.
I don't care about it.
Can you find a kid?
Yeah. Later. Bro, you scared me, bro. Is that? Bye-bye, bro.
He just disappeared.
I'm hungry. I'm gonna go home until I have
Bro, we never get some.
We have 6 foods. Let's steal we eat this rest. Eat my rest of food. Uy, kainin mo na lahat ng food ko. Raf.
Wala ko mag-spray. Lahat.
Pupunta na natin yung mga bata.
I'm ready. I can trade him. Where is she? Uy, nasaan yun ang trading? Wala.
Ano mo kita? Hungry ka?
Plantis.
Dali na. Tara na. Huwag tayo mag-sprint. Nag-i-sprint yan.
I'm hungry.
Saan na yun? Ayun. Dito, sumama ka lang.
Bawal ako mag-sprint. Kung nag-sprint ako, mawawala.
Tingnan nga yung... Ay, sumama ka lang. Sumama ka. Mamatay ka eh. Ayun.
May wolf sa likod mo.
Meron kang ano? Spear?
Wala.
Ako rest niya to. Ako papatayin ng rest niya. Hindi, food tayo. Food kasi importante pa to kaysa sa lahat. Pati rin yung light natin. Food tayo. Wolf pellet. Ayun, dalawa. Ikaw muna ako na mag-store para mas madami. Ikaw na mag-store ng mga wolf pellet. Ayun, baby, nanagulo ko nito. Huwag ka magpahabol ako na. Yun. Ayun, patay mo. Sprint ako. Sprint, patay mo pala. Tayo mo yan. Yun, habulot ako. Meron pa. Isa pa. Patay mo na lang yan. Ikaw kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Kailan ko dito.
Patay ako.
Ay, huwag ka. Tumakbo ka na. Tumakbo ka na lang. Tumakbo ka na lang. Tumakbo ka na. Pumunta ka sa mamaya na bukas na lang natin sa'yo. Ika, bilihan mo. Mag-spring ka. Madami tayong pagkain. Dami natin pagkain. Madami pa dito. Yun. Eat. Huwag ka muna masaya kasi i-a-attack sa atin namin yung gabi. Ngayon na. Skip. Inom mo na. Yun lang, kinain ko na. Hunger ka. Tingnan natin to kasi alam mo. Dali yung
Spear ka. Ako ganto.
teka. Umalis ka sa mukha. Umalis ka.
Spear, ginagawa mo.
Spear na.
Uy,
Ganito ito to.
Sa
Ano, mamamatay ito. Lagay mo yung mga ganyan sa sa mga...
campfire.
Oo. Kumain ka, baka mamatay ka. Yeah, you do eat. Good job, huh? Ito sa'yo. Tinugin natin sila. Dapat lang sa kanila yan. Kasi bad sila. Kill you, bro. Stop it. Bro, that's funny. Bro, that's not funny. That's not funny. Bro, he's working. Or jerk him. Oh. What the heck? Stop. Yeah. Stop it, bro. Put it in the fire.
Go to the fire, you bastard. The bastard.
The bastard, TPT, you saying.
Oh my god. No.
Fire.
At least I stored something. Yeah.
You can see how it works.
Can I have a revolver? Bro, I have a gun now.
Yung gun food?
Yeah.
Yan. Give me one. Bro, give me one. And the wolf pellet.
All set?
Wolf pellet.
I have no more.
You start two, bro. Bro, you don't want to give me something.
Bro.
You have something, bro. The wolf pellet. Just give me one. Bro, you should.
I forgot it.
Gonna go buy myself to the... Here. Say that guy.
Wait. I forgot something. I have... Let's kill some bunnies. I mean, kill some... Hey! You're just scamming us. You're scamming.
Bro, thank you.
Now we can open the door.
Okay, start it with it. Thank you, Lord.
Where's Ellie? Hi, Ellie.
Hindi ba nanini? Tortogini. Oh, I have revolver.
I also have a revolver.
Later, if someone attacks us, nah, they down. See the kid. Let's go out here, bro. Boasty. I need some food.
And I need some flashlights.
Go to the tower. Light tower.
Light tower. More like the birch tower. Hey, I just got killed. Am I just approaching? What?
Bro, 30 seconds.
The thing, seconds. I have no flashlights still.
Who's that?
Uy, pero... May This channel has been resumed. Hi, kid. Hi, kid. Can I tame the kid?
Never. Good too, bro. We say, bro. We're brothers. Bro, get down, bro. The monster's gonna kill us.
No, I don't care about the owl.
Bro, you're not gonna can take me. You know that? Nonsense. That's nonsense. Hey, bro. I think we have something.
Do we have an...
Kid. I love you, kid. I'm your daddy.
Bro, I'm useless.
I'm your daddy. You need your mama.
Hey,
The other kid later.
hey, hey,